Well guys, this was supposed to be a ride video, but my back tire's flat. So I must have hit a nail or something, because that's the only thing that'll make this tire go flat. I hit it on my ride yesterday, obviously, because it was pumped up yesterday. So I guess I might as well fix my broken spokes while I'm at it. Shit. You know, I thought I heard something in my tire yesterday when I was riding. Glad it chose to go flat when I got home. Thing is, it has slime in it. I'm tempted to just try pumping it up and see if I can't get the slime to work, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Shit, this is like not coming off of here. Oh, there we go, got it. So yeah, sucks. Impromptu repair video, possibly. I'm gonna try to do my trick where I don't actually take it off the bike. I haven't had a flat in a while. This sucks. I think I have a good tube in here I can use. Shit. This blows. And it's all the way flat too, so I hit something. Shit, okay. Well, I'm gonna grab my spare tube out of here just in case I need it. I don't think this has any patches or anything on it. I think it's just a good tube. Yeah. Alright, well, shit. I have my camera set on different settings today too. I was gonna do a ride video, and I set my camera on 720 at 120 frames per second. Because I can upconvert it in Power Director to 1080 120. I'm just trying to get a more accurate portrayal of my top speed when I'm riding. So that's what the plan is for that. I'm gonna flip this around though. I want to be in the shade as I'm working on it, because it's 75 degrees out here on February 3rd 2025. It is 75 degrees outside. That is so weird. Hey, Mom. Oh, I don't know if that was Mom or that was Dave. Mom, is that you? I got a flat tire, so I'm not going anywhere yet, if at all. Let's see what did this. Yep, and that's a rock. That's not a nail. It's just a rock. Is that? What is that? That's just a rock sticking out of there. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Can you see that? That is what's in my tire. There, Jesus Christ. That's going to take some needle nose to get out of there. I'm going to attempt to fix this without... I'm going to have to go to the other side of the bike, though, to do this. I have patch kits. Oh, but it's a slime tube. That shit's not going to work. I can't patch this thing. Oh, man, I'm going to have to get it. Son of a bitch. This just got really difficult. I forgot I got a slime tube in this damn tire. Shit. I don't want a slime tube. That's just what came with the wheel. Why is my backpack still on? Take your backpack off, Larry. Okay. First order of business is to yank this big ass frickin' whatever this is out of my tire. I knew I heard something. I'm amazed that didn't throw me off. That's what I was feeling. I was riding my bike, and when I would turn or hit dips and stuff, I kept feeling that my tire kept like shimmying. I'm like, what the hell? And I thought it was just the broken spokes I had in there. It's this damn whatever this is that we're about to find out what it is. Huh. If I can get it out of here, it seems like in there. Look at, what the hell is that? It's like a piece of rusty metal. Jesus Christ. It doesn't even look like it went in just far enough to puncture my tire. Or my tube. I don't even think slime will work with this tire, honestly. I could try it real quick. I'm going to put some air in here. This gives me an opportunity to test out. See, that's one more time. That's what was in there. I don't know what the hell that is. How the hell did that get in there? It must have been sitting like in a crack, like that way in the road, and I ran over it. That's damn, dude. That is like super flat. Let me Me? I don't know. So I'm gonna try my new pump valve out. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna try my new pump valve out here, guys. I got my camera on. I figured I might as well make a flat repair video while I'm at it. I got some broken spokes too. I got one. There's one right there. 2, 3, 4. Is that 4 spokes? Damn, I got a bunch of broken spokes in here. I got like 4 broken spokes in here. Okay, I guess it's a good thing I got a flat tire because I really need to fix some spokes. Where was that hole at? I lost the hole. Oh, oddly enough, it's really close to the valve stem. So let's go and put some air in here first and see if I can't get the slime to work. I doubt it's going to work though. Slime never really works for me anymore. This is the new, I bought this. I bought this to replace, if you can see that, sorry, the camera's tilted up a little bit. To replace my threaded one that came with this pump because of the threads are stripping out on it. So it hasn't really been working very well. Oops, that's a problem. That's not going to fit. This is supposed to be for a Schrader valve. Oh, there we go. It's going to be this kind. What the hell? It won't even freaking... Okay, that's not good. Assuming it's supposed to plunge on that way. I couldn't push it up very far though. And I can try pumping it up with this and see what happens. You guys are tilted up kind of high. There we go. Let's see if I can get this to actually work. Nope, it's not registering the pressure right. Shit, okay, I need to... Whoa! That was a pop. What the hell? I don't think this is going to work, and I can't return this. It's too late to return it. Maybe a little bit less on there. Yeah, this isn't going to work. Shit. Well, that sucks. Let me turn this off and take this off of here and try this again. Wish I could if I could find my valve extender, I could probably get it to work with a valve extender. I don't know. This sucks. That was a waste of like however much money I spent on this damn thing. Wait. I pushed it up on there further. Let's see what happens this time. No, it's not going to work. Damn it. Damn it. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to continue to use my stripped out threaded one. Or I might not be riding my bike for a while until I buy a new pump. That sucks. That does not work at all. It's a piece of shit. That's getting a bad review. Let's try and see if I can't get this damn thing on here. What's going on? I think. No, it's not going on. It is not going on here.
Walgreens. We have details about a prescription that's ready for Lawrence Begany. To opt out of automatic...
Alright, well, now I know that that's ready to go. Shit. I was waiting on that phone call. Fuck. Okay, it started to thread on here. It didn't want to thread on here at first. Nope, still not. It's not working anymore. Fuck. Well, guys, I'm not riding my bike for a while. I gotta go buy a pump. Shit. It won't thread on. Maybe. Nope, still going crooked on me. I could try putting air in there like that. I don't think it's gonna work though. Son of a bitch, dude. And I can't get a hold of the seller with this that has this pump to get a replacement hose. There's no replacement parts on their site, their Amazon site, so I'm just asked out. Looks like there's air going into it. I can kind of see where the slime kind of came out. It's discolored like there's water, or like there's been moisture there. Well, I'm going to stop this because I need to. Yeah, the air's coming out of it now that it's stopped. So I don't think I can actually fix that. It's like I'm going to be doing a whole tube replacement today, but I'm going to do the spokes first while it's on the bike. So I can kind of get this hose on there. Son of a bitch. I don't even want to do all this right now. I'm not feeling good today. So one thing with this H. pylori stuff, as I'm taking the medication, the antibiotics to get rid of it, it is killing the bacteria, and as the bacteria is dying, it's releasing gas, and it's filling my body up with dead bacteria gas. So I'm having fun right now. I'm very uncomfortable, and my medication I bought to deal with that isn't really working, so yay. One of those damned if I do, damned if I don't situations. I don't know if I want to change this whole entire goddamn tube. It's just going to be such a pain in the ass getting this tire on and off of here that I don't know if I want to deal with it today. I mean, I'm going to have to deal with it. I just don't know if I have the energy or anything to deal with this shit today. So I'm just going to do the spokes for now, which means I need to go back to the other side of the bike. That's where the broken spokes are. All 4 of them. It means I need to grab my other wheel to pull spokes out of it. Damn it. Trying to squeeze the air out of this tube in this tire is a pain because this tire is so stiff. Son of a bitch. This is not how I saw my day going today. Fuck. So that's a piece of shit I can't use. That's getting put back in the bag. That's awesome. It's my fault. I should have tested that thing when I got it. I could have returned it then if I'd known it didn't work way back when. Damn it, Larry. You did it to yourself again, dude. You just trusted that it was going to work, and it doesn't. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, I'm not feeling great right now. Really rather upset right now. What was that? Oh, my needle nose fell down. Oh, shit. Really upset right now. Shit. So I suppose I should get this flat out I'd have over here and put it in my new tube. Damn it. I gotta test this tube out too and make sure it's actually holding air. I'm pretty sure it is. I need to look at it and see. I think this came in one of my this tube came in one of my trike tires. I have to cram it up in there and put some air in this thing and see if it's gonna hold air before I do all this. I'm putting that on there. Hopefully, it doesn't look like it wants to go though. Well, that's going. I'm going to go ahead and take all these spokes out. I forgot to grab my other wheel. Dang it. You guys are all crooked. Sorry. There it is. There's that elusive other broken spoke. What's just taking so long to pump up? Maybe I got it on there too tight. Yeah, I had the pump on there, the hose on there too tight. Well, so far it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with this tube. Seems to be working just fine. I'm going to leave the air in it for now to make sure it doesn't go flat. I'll look at it, listen to it, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. It's going to be a heck of a squeeze to get it in here though. Alright. Make sure it's the right size tube. There was a size on it somewhere. 20 by 40, yeah, that's the right size. Let's go de-spoke my other wheel. That's not the one I want. Damn it. Where's my other wheel at? Is it over here? Did I put it over here? Yeah, I did. It's right here. Shit, why did I do this, Larry? I got buried under stuff. Come on, dude. What are you thinking about? There we go. Since you can't actually buy spokes for this wheel, you have to harvest old spokes. Good old electric Anyways, still pissed. I kind of made peace with them, but I'm still pissed about some of the things they're doing. Yeah, let's get to taking this shit out of here. I just need to take this yellow rim tape off of here because I'm not going to be using this rim ever again. Of course, I don't think there's any way to actually easily get this off of here. I need to cut it. Hopefully my wire cutters will work, if I can find them. I can't even really cut this thing. That is a hell of a freaking rim tape thing. There we go. Of course, now I'm going to lose all my spare nipples that are just sitting in the rim. Oh well. Can you see that? Look at this. Now look at this spoke. This is where this other tube had a slime in it. Look at the spoke. Look at the head of that thing. It punctured. It must have punctured the tube on the inside at one point, even though it was under a rim liner. That's no bueno. How'd that happen? Alright, let's go. I gotta find my spoke wrench now too. Oh, there's my patch kit. Let me get that out of here. Is that like got stuff in it? Let's see. I got another one in here. Oh, I'm not using the patch kit. I forgot. Never mind. My spoke wrench is going to be fun to find. I need to find my valve tool kit in here too. There's so much. I gotta clean this thing out. There's so much random crap in here. Talking about my tool bag. I got like plastic bags like with tools in them. Hence tool bag. I can't seem to locate my spoke wrench. Son of a bitch, I gotta get all these wires out of the way. I might just give up and go in the house. I don't feel good. There's my tool. I found my valve tool. Okay, that's good. Shoot, I don't know where the spoke wrench is. If I lost my spoke wrench, I'm going to be really pissed off. I seem to have lost my spoke wrench, so now I'm really pissed off. There's so much shit in here. Oh my god, why do I have all this crap in here? It's worse than a woman's purse. I cannot find my tool. Where is my spoke tool at? Where is my spoke tool? What the hell happened to my spoke tool? No, I need my spoke tool, dude. What the fuck? It probably, don't tell me it fell out. Oh my guys, my spoke tool is gone. I cannot find, wait, I found it. Oh, thank God. It fell into one of my layers of bags. Okay. That was getting a little scary. Jesus. Oh god. All this crap back in here. Oh my god, that was so scary. I was like thinking, oh shit, no tube. I have to order that too. There's a motorcycle. I can barely hear you. Cheeky? Oh. Okay. Let's get to taking these off of here. I'm just going to start taking these spokes out of here. Huh? Yeah, you told me that yesterday. And now my subscribers listening to the same conversation. You're not talking loud enough for them to hear you.
People need to spay and neuter.
You're still not talking loud enough. Huh? No, I said they're hearing the conversation, but they really can't hear you because you're talking too quiet. Maybe I can hand loosen these things. That'd be all. Wait, no, Larry, you can't hand loosen them. They're fucking hooked into the hub. You moron. Okay, let's see. Way to go, brain. Making me look stupid in front of the subscribers again. Okay. Oh wait, am I turning that the wrong way? Gosh darn it, yeah I am. Yeah, I picked up some kind of rusty piece of a nail in my tire. Just long enough to puncture my tube. So that figures. I thought I heard something when I was riding yesterday. Oh, you guys can't even see what the hell I'm doing. I'm sorry. I ended up pulling the damn wheel up here. You still can't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry, I can't. I only got so many angles with this camera. I'm trying to do this in the most comfortable position for me right now, so. I guess we'll just edit part of that out of there since I wasn't really talking or anything. I had my camera set up on new settings and all kinds of stuff I wanted to try out today. Now it's not going to happen. So I think when I'm done with this, I'm not going to have any energy left to do anything else. No. Jojo, did you go in the garage? He didn't answer me. I don't know where he is. Yeah, I know. I didn't see him go over there. I'm just saying I didn't see him go in the garage either. It's been open this whole time, so.
Is that your bike over there too?
Yeah, I had to move it to get to this bike. I need to take that one apart. All I got to do is take the wheels off, and they're quick release, so it's super easy. I just haven't done it yet because I'm just going to put it up on the pile. Okay. What the hell? Shit. I can't get these spokes out of here. I fucking got this wheel built so dumb. These damn spokes are like all the way up in the damn inside of the hole inside the rim. They're not supposed to be there. They're too tight. I can't get them out. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to go blind for a sec. I can't get this. There we go. Got one. I had to bend it to get it out of the damn rim. You can't get it out of here. Good job, electric. In this damn. Okay, there we go. It's like mostly disassembled, and I still can't get the spokes out. That's ridiculous. It's redonkulous. I just trimmed my fingernails like yesterday, and I'm trying to grab these spokes off the ground, and I'm like, oh, good. Yeah, I shouldn't have trimmed my fingernails apparently, because now I can't get the damn spokes off the ground. Okay, usually I could just push these spokes through the disc, but they're not going through. Let me guess, they decided to use different spokes with bigger heads on them just so I can't get them through the disc anymore. Shit. Now I gotta take the disc off. Oh wait, nope, that one's going. Got that one. Got that one, maybe. Yeah, I got that one. Oh, shit. Come on. See, harvesting spokes is not really a recommended practice because these spokes have been used, so they're not going to be as strong. But like I said, Electric doesn't sell these spokes. You can't buy these spokes anywhere unless you order them from China or some shit, and it's too much of a pain to do it that way. I don't want to wait 2 months to fix my wheel. I can't get this spoke out of here. Fuck. Well, I guess I'm going to the other side of the wheel. I should have just done this side anyway, but I was trying not to. Oh, man. Make this hub swing too much. Son of a bitch. Come on. Quit dropping stuff, Larry. Jesus. Oh, man. I think I'm gonna take this wheel in my room after I get done with this and just take all the spokes out of it and then just keep the spokes in my backpack somewhere. I got a little like cardboard thing that other spokes came in before, so I'll probably just stick them in there. I got spoke nipples everywhere that are just falling out of this rim that the rim liner was actually holding in place that I didn't think about until I cut the rim liner off, and I'm like, oh, that was stupid. There's a whole new level of bonehead for me. Okay. Alright, I got 4 spokes out now. Let's go ahead and put you back, y'all. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now I gotta scooch up. Oh, man, my tailbone has been killing me sleeping in my chair, man. Jesus. Freaking hurts right now so much. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing now. Let's see where I'm going to start at. That's a inside spoke. Let's just start with that one. can't get this through here. Gosh darn it. There it goes. I don't know why it was being so difficult in the first place. That was easy. That was a little too easy. I'm going to get them all on here before I tighten them down. Okay, that's both spokes. I think I want to start with the outside one first and then go to the inside one. Oh, shit. So, see if I can get it underneath. Yeah, I can get it underneath. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this spoke. Can you see this? This came out of another electric wheel. Look at how high that spoke is. It's like up on the rim. That's not supposed to do that. That is literally so long. Unless I have it, I'm aiming it the wrong way. No. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. Never mind, I'm aiming it the wrong freaking way. Ignore that. That was not electric's fault. That was my dumbass fault. And I'm going to have to pull this one over. Flathead. How do I have a way of doing this. I keep forgetting how I do it though. Shit. How do I do this? I think that's it, like that. There we go. It's in there. I have to thread that one on there a little bit though. It's kind of going crooked on me here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nope, it didn't work. Son of a bitch. Still not going on there. Gosh darn it. Stupid rim liner is getting in the way. I can't get it in here. Please don't pop up out of the rim nipple. And it did. No, it didn't. Okay. Oh, a bitch. Ah! Getting frustrated. Not happy. Feeling kind of crappy. There we go, I got it. Son of a bitch, quit slipping on me, man. That's good. Did I mention this is not how I saw my day going? Because I'm mentioning it again. Jacker. Luckily I'm able to get these under the disc for some weird reason. It normally doesn't happen. Same problem. There we go. Arroo! My little Pepe hound's howling at the fire hydrant. Fire engine. Why is that not going down? Gosh darn it. There we go. I think. Yeah, it's going down now. Fix the rim liner on these two spokes. Find my last one. There it is. Oh my god. This one's not going to go in this way. I'm going to have to put it in El Huevo Correcto here. Well, technically this is not the correct way to do this either, so I think I might be able to get it popped through here easier. I can't get this one in here. Damn it, man. There's always got to be one fucking spoke that is not going to work like I need it to. I'm like threading it through the hub. That's weird. There it goes. Shit, why did I do that? There we go. Okay. Got it. Got him. Alright, where's this one going? I don't feel good. Camera got tilted down again, sorry. That's good, I can just use the spoke wrench now. Which one was it, that one? I may end up not changing the flat today and just saying screw it. I'm really starting to feel kind of badder. So I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm just gotta find all these loose spokes I put in here now. Shit. Why can't I find them? Is that a loose one? No. You should be able to tell by how much the threads are out. I think that's one right there. No. Why the hell can't I? There's one. Is that one? There's one. I really keep trying to tilt this camera up and it just keeps going back down for some reason. It's tight. Oh, that's so tight, bro. Oh, there's one right there. There's the other one. I think that's the last one right there. No. Shit. Alright. Spokes are all fixed. I'm gonna make sure though I didn't miss one. Well, the camera just reset. Got to hear it beep that time. Shit. Yeah, you know what? I'm not doing the tube. That's going to be another day thing. My chest is starting to bother me. I'm just going to put my crap away. I'm not even going to push myself because it's starting to hurt really bad. So I'm just going to put my stuff up. No ride today. That's all right. Well, I can go review the... Well, I'm not going to be able to review my speed on this camera because I didn't go anywhere. Shit. I'm going to put this valve tool in my tire pulls so I don't lose it. It's so small. It used to be in a case, but the case broke or something. I can't even find the case. Oh well. No ride today. Sucks. Shit. I'm just gonna leave the pump out here because I need to use it anyway. I'll just stick this in here because I want to do a flat out too. So pick up my trash. God, I really don't feel good now. And I got to roll this bike backwards into the garage with a flat tire. That's going to be fun. Oh, shit. Oh, God, that hurts my butt. Tailbone pain. Damn it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are recyclable. Put it in the blue trash can if you can recycle it. Okay. That should be their slogan. Their jingle. Suspenders are all freaking crooked. It's uncomfortable. Now the fun part, guys. Flipping this beast back over. Yeah, I'm starting to feel kind of weak. I don't feel very good. Oddly enough, it's not too hard to push this bike on a flat tire because these dual sport tires are a bit stiffer, so it's actually kind of easy. I forgot. I was thinking of a regular bike tire when I try to do this. No ride today. Damn it. I think that was a divine intervention. Telling me I need to fix my 4 broken spokes, because I would have just rolled out of here with 4 freaking broken spokes today without even checking if I didn't have a flat tire. See what I mean by weird crap happening to me all the time? Jesus. Put my tools and stuff over here. And I'll put them back by my bike because that way I'll know where they are. Gosh darn it. I'm going to put them down here though so I don't accidentally get them knocked off the back of the bike and have to scrounge for all my tools on the ground. Oh, shit. Oh, now I'm dizzy. Just put this here. I'll put that there. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Shit. This screwed up my whole day. Oh, man. So that was my basically a spoke replacement video and determining what made my tire go flat video. Tomorrow will be a fix the tube if I'm feeling okay video. I don't know though. I'm not feeling awesome right now. I don't know what I'm doing now. I have no fucking clue. Okay, alright, well, that was that. Thanks for watching my video. And remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.